Access. It is a crucial word in metal detecting. Anything that is low-hanging fruit, anything that is easy access, has been hunted out for decades. It's got storage here, and it's got storage over here. And this is my setup with a bike rack. And as you can see, this is pretty sturdy. Locks in. You have the option. I didn't even lock this one. I have another one. There's a lock that you're given that goes right in here. This top part comes out, comes around and locks it. Can you tell that e-bikes are a big part of my metal detecting future? I had to get this. This other guy I know just absolutely loves Engwe bikes.
Introducing my latest acquisition. It's called the Engine Pro from Engwe.
Now those are footsteps I've never minded following. However, I didn't get the Engine Pro. I wanted a bike that would be good in the sand. This is my new bike, the Engwe L20. And the whole point of it is to extend my range. All right, I want to show you around the bike. So first, I will show you that this, you need the key in order to turn it on. There we go. So that's on. And you see the gear that it's in is really important. So let's push this up. You know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is the top. This is what it looks like when somebody made for speed rides it. You could expect speeds between 25 and 30 miles per hour at the fastest setting, especially if you're thinner than me. And, you know, once my eyeballs went back into place, we went metal detecting. And basically, you're going to turn this, and it's going to move. I'm not going to do that because this thing is very fast. Okay? And, you know, you turn it down like this. Really simple controls. And 0, if you turn now, it does nothing. So that's one. Headlights. To do headlights, it's the bottom button here. On and off is this button here. There's 2 buttons on the side. There we go. Turn on the very nice headlights. And you get some data pushing the top button here. I almost forgot, you have the traditional bike stuff over here. Fred Flintstone pedaling. And this. Badass. Let's go metal detecting. We are going on a mission tonight with the bike. I found a beach. I did some research and I found a beach that really is out of reach and it is not being used anymore. But just because it's not being used right now doesn't mean that it had a great past. And I think it's something that is overlooked, which is really easy to do in New York City. So the game plan is take the bike to the beach and hopefully dig some treasure. I'm linking the bike in the pinned comment and in the video description, and it's actually cheaper than many metal detectors. The ingredients that I have here that you will see in action in this video, Engwe bike, a metal detector that folds very neatly into a backpack, the XP Deus 2, a honey badger beach scoop, and a bike rack so that I could transport my bike. It's me, my bike, gorgeous summer night. Ships in the ocean to keep me company. Let's do some metal detecting. Oh no, it flew!
It's on you, that means you get luck.
It flew, but I wanted to show it like the bike. Mr. Tones is here. Hello, Mr. Tones.
How are you?
You know, you strap your, whatchamacallit, to this beach scoop. And the beauty of a Deus, I mean, XP thought of everything. Let's see if I choose the right compartment. Yep, detector in a bag.
Mommy, she's like really nice.
Yeah. It's game time. It's game
I
time.
want to put this back on
Game time.
in case I gotta use my GoPro.
Calm down, Meryl.
I'm like really excited about this, Meryl.
Yeah, man. 7172. Oh, we are in the land of the space peanut. It's a space peanut. Space peanuts are chunks of slag that's left over from the construction of New York's bridges. 5960. It is a glorious tab of pull. 6667. Space peanut. 72. Yeah, you guessed it. Another space peanut. That's what I'm looking for. 87, 88, 89. Conductive. Even deeper. We got it. This is up to 99. Oh geez. Wow, it's a toy car. How about that? Look at how deep that was.
Get anything?
Yeah, I just got a toy car. This year has been exceptional. This night took a fight. 81. 80. It is the mother of all pull tabs. This one is huge. 75. I've had good luck in the 70s this year. Peanut from outer space. All right, Go Terrain is on. Let's go. What did I just find? If that is a coin, that is absolutely obliterated. I don't think it's a coin though. Tab of pull. Low 70. Ooh, this one is a glorious, glorious space peanut. Wow. Now this is New York City all here, and here is Staten Island over in here. And what do you notice? There is a bay that happens over here, and there is water, but for the most part, in terms of water that can really create strong waves, it's the concept of the fetch. The fetch is the distance over the water that the wind can blow and increase the speed of the waves. Look at the difference of the Long Island beaches out here, or even the city beaches in here, versus the Staten Island beaches. The waves don't happen as much. Staten Island has gotten some direct shots, though. You can see that there is a really tough angle there, but it is possible. And when it happens, those can be really, really good days. And Staten Island has a long history of amusement parks being at the shoreline in various locations. In theory, all of this seems spectacular, but in practice, you have to be in the right spot at the right time and have the right erosion. So let me speed this up for you. I don't know what this is. It's called junk. Oh, you got to be patient. Got to be patient here. This is best space peanut of the night. Look at the light in the sky. It's having like a disco party. I think Tone's got something good. First coin of the night, I think.
Oh, it's just a quarter.
It's a quarter.
It's a quarter, 95.
It's here. 95.
Rang up at 95, look at that.
Sadly, that's becoming classic, my friend.
Yeah, it's clad.
90s. I remember the 90s, man.
Maybe this is a coin.
And it's a dime. That's been there a while. Back to the peanuts from outer space. Oh my god. It is another space peanut. Hope you like space peanuts. You get something? I think he's got something. Oh, silver. There we go.
It helps when there's an ocean to wash your coins if you don't have a spray bottle.
I was starting to get disappointed. There you go.
Yeah, buddy.
What is that?
It's a Rosie.
It's a
I don't know
Rosie.
what year that is. How dark it is.
Yeah, this beach goes back.
I don't know how people find these Rials all shiny when I get Rosies that are dark like this.
Mind if I take a look? I'll finish your video first.
No, we good.
Sorry.
We're good.
1964.
Yeah, look how clear the New York water is.
Yeah.
Something's going on.
Gorgeous.
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 Thanks, guy.
Well done, sir.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, Space Peanut. Just getting a little scratch.
I knew the beaches were pretty sandy, and I knew that erosion was not a possibility that night for the most part, and I had to punch down. If I was going to get something, I had to punch down.
Now listen to it. Sounds high. Let's see how far down. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this. I feel it. Oh man, it's a memorial penny. This is a thin one. Look at how deep this hole is. Look at that, the top of it is right where my hand, oh my God, that might be a record right there. Wow. Not that you could see it too well, the water is down here. I'm like halfway up the slope. I got that deep signal at the top of the slope, and what sometimes happens is you get a pull down the slope. You know, you get an event, water comes up and everything gets down, you know, slope collapse it could be called sometimes. This is the lowest part of the beach right here. I mean, we could walk downhill down there, but if we're talking about relativity, the lowest part of the beach is right here. Here's another signal. What I mean is the sand is usually not this low, this high up the beach. Oh man, this is what you got to put up with. Mr. Tones just found something.
Hey.
Oh wow.
Cool.
It's kind of like the bike.
Yeah.
It's Mario. Yeah, man.
He's drinking and driving.
Oh my God. I hate these things.
I know, they sound so good.
Yeah, they do. Yeah, it's a quarter. Back in the dry a little bit. I just did a zigzag up. Yeah, I got something. Okay, this one is actually really cool. Look at this. This is sanitation department. I think I just sliced its tire. Sorry. Sorry. Oh, look at all this sand. Yeah. That's better. Whoa, fidget spinner.
A lot of cops on that bridge.
Oh yeah.
Must be a jumper up there or an accident.
Oh my God.
Sorry.
No, don't worry. Oh my God. Take a look at this. Proud to be a Jew, it says. Fidget spinner.
Pride is awesome, and I want to acknowledge the long history of spinning toys.
George Washington makeover quarter. The dry is on fire here. Nah.
And then, just as you're about to quit, this is how metal detecting goes.
Best signal of the night. 98 do I see?
3 or 4 inches down.
95, 96.
The most common number for quarters on the dais too is 93. And over this year, when I get higher, it's usually a vape.
Got whatever it is. What is this? Oh my God.
Haagen-Dazs has been unlocked.
Oh my God. Low.
My first signal in the water of that night.
I think I got a half, dude. Walking Liberty. What?
It has been a minute since I found a half.
Okay, this has been dead. I guess we gotta go into the water. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. He's far down the beach. I'll show him in a minute. Okay. Mr. Tones.
Samsung.
Mr.
Giant
Tones.
phone. This rang up at 90. Look how deep that was.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
Yeah, so I had, look at this. There's another tone here I can't get. It seems like something huge, right? And then I was skeptical of digging this, but you know what?
When in doubt, you dig.
When in doubt, that's right.
Congratulations.
Thanks, bud.
All there was left to do was drive home, but thankfully not empty-handed. Yep.
Merrill, did you check the water some more?
Of course I checked the water. It was more space peanuts. That's all I got. But the good part was not having to walk back to my car. I rode back. I want you to think about this. Now, if you walk from beach to beach or from location to location and you're swinging, yeah, you'll get more targets. But I think people venture out less if they do that. This is usually further than I was willing to go. And, you know, most people, I think, are like that. I'd like to say thank you to Engwe, and I'm going to leave you with something to think about.